or there will be cases against the judges. They'll start filing transfer petitions, writ petitions. And my lords, my client is contesting numerous matters also. He's taking care of his mother. He's taking care of his first child. He's taking care of the petitioner's daughter herein, who's the daughter of both petitioner and respondent. We've been paying, including the saving scheme for the education, because the child is a US citizen. He's also paying the US, at US, the saving scheme, which he's been paying while the child was in the US itself. The scheme had started and he was paying since then.
If you file, they will also file. Why should they keep quiet? See, we will also answer law only, sir, not settlement. No, I asked whether you are guiding your daughter to file all these cases.
Yeah, definitely, as a father, I
Yes.
having my duty to
Absolutely.
every father's have
That is why.
their duty to this guide their.
No, there can be no settlement. We will answer in law. The mother will start another savings.
My lord, she'll only file further more cases. Already
No,
30
no.
cases are pending between the parties.
No problem.
And there are multiple. My lords, after the maintenance being ordered, every month I am depositing 25,000 to her account. I will directly pay to the school. Whatever amount is. As of today, they are trying to say it is 3.5 lakhs. I am ready to pay directly.
Again, that also I told you. Don't sing these swan songs.
I am not
Yes.
washing away my hands from not paying the child. This is the same pattern, my lord. She's been harassing the respondent herein by filing numerous cases. My humble
Simple.
submission is
Pay 50,000, she will stop filing this case.
it will become more, my lords.
More
Already
will see.
in the next.
Maintenance.
Yes, my lords. My lords, the thing to be considered before this honorable court is the need of the child. That is first. Two, in terms of the ratio of their earnings. There is no dispute about both father and mother earning exorbitantly well. One in the US, the mother is in India. The consideration before this honorable court is, earlier they had filed an application before the learned magistrate for 50,000 maintenance per month.
I have heard it.
Yes.
It's reduced to 25,000 per session.
Sessions. My lords, the need of the child. The child is 5 years old. Okay. 2 weeks ago, the child turned 6 years old. The child is 5 years old, my lords. 25,000 rupees maintenance is.
She will save 25,000 in the name of the child. Don't worry.
My lords, I'm already saving that money while the child was.
Mother also will save.
My lords, while the child was in US itself, we started a saving scheme wherein every other month he
The
is
mother will
depositing.
start another savings.
My lord, she'll only file further more cases. Already
No,
30
no.
cases are pending between the parties.
No problem.
And there are multiple. My lords, if this honorable court is wishing to increase the maintenance, may I make one proposal?
Increase Allah. 25 na 50 ittala munche.
Allah, Swami.
Will restore 50.
My lords, may I kindly make a submission? I will deposit directly to the school. I will pay all the school fees relating. The school also has food and bus and everything included, my lords. I'll pay the complete thing directly to the
Now
school.
who is paying?
My lords, initially I was paying, but I was sending it through her account. Even though there was no order of maintenance, I was paying the school fees. After the maintenance being ordered, every month I am depositing 25,000 to her account. I will directly pay to the school. Whatever amount is. As of today, they are trying to say it is 3.5 lakhs. I am ready to pay directly. Maybe tomorrow, if it is next year, it becomes 4. Whatever is the inflation rate, I'll pay directly to the school. Kindly, my lords. If that also, it will be the same ratio, my lords. Kindly.
Then
That is my submission, my lords. 50,000 is an exorbitant amount, which is more than what the child needs. She's living in her own house. She has rental income and other things. She doesn't have any dependent except for the child herein. Whereas the respondent herein has the first child from the first marriage.
that's last time I told you.
Yes, he also has a mother to take care.
Again, that also I told you. Don't sing these swan songs.
I am not
Yes.
washing away my hands from not paying the child. While the child was in the US itself, I've started a saving scheme. She took away the child from US to India, conspired to file cases, filed cases also. The moment US police was filing a report where there is no offense made out, while protection order, she had obtained a protection order from the US court as well. While that was subsisting, she doesn't inform the US court, nor the US police, nor the respondent herein, gets the child to India in June. July, she starts filing cases in India, including this maintenance case. And this is not the first time she's done this, my lords. In 2019 also, she moved the child from US to India and filed cases in Noida, again for maintenance and other claims in Noida. And this is the same pattern, my lord. She's been harassing the respondent herein by filing numerous cases. My
Simple.
submission is,
Say 50,000, she will stop filing this case.
it will become more, my lords.
More,
Already
we'll see.
in an existence of, I have produced, if your lordships can see, I've produced a document, a list of cases that is being filed against us. Or there will be cases against the judges. They'll start filing transfer petitions, writ petitions. And my lords, my client is contesting numerous matters also. He's taking care of his mother. He's taking care of his first child. He's taking care of the petitioner's daughter herein, who's the daughter of both petitioner and respondent. We've been paying, including the saving scheme for the education, because the child is a US citizen. He's also paying the US, at US, the saving scheme, which he's been paying while the child was in the US itself. The scheme had started and he was paying since then. He has to save for the future also for the child. At one given point of time, suddenly they come and ask for crores of rupees for a college fee. He cannot get it. So there is a saving scheme that which he's doing in the name of the child, which he cannot withdraw.
What's your income per month?
My lords, mine is about 9 lakhs in the US currency, my lords.
9 lakh US dollars.
Yes, my lords. But when we
Yes.
convert it into purchase power parity with India, it will be just about 3 lakhs. And she's earning 3 lakhs in India itself, my lords. My lords, admittedly, both are earning well. There is no dispute on that point, my lords. The
That's
need-
why both of you are fighting well.
My lords, I have not filed cases, my lords. In fact, if your lordships can see, I have sent an email to her categorically telling her to let's be done with all these cases. Let's focus on our child. I've produced that email also, my lords. No, their vengeance, whatever it is that they just don't want to stop filing cases.
Anyway.
Or,
This maintenance case, I will deal with this.
my lords,
Yes, sir.
My lord, I will just take 2
You
minutes.
don't want to settle the issue?
My lord, I would like to submit just 2 minutes for submission, my lord.
You don't want to settle the issue?
No, I want to settle, my lord. Kindly permit me for 2 minutes, actually. She is totally misleading this honorable court. They have filed SLP before honorable Supreme Court. All these contests were taken by them. It was dismissed by honorable Supreme Court. They had filed writ of habeas corpus before this honorable court, and they had taken same contests. It was dismissed. I mean to say they had filed in 3-4 cases at High Court, Honorable Supreme Court. All those contests have been
If you
dismissed.
file, they will also file. Why should they keep quiet?
No, false. I was telling about false and irrelevant contents.
That's all right.
Now
Yes.
coming to this is interim maintenance, my lord. Fees is 50,000. Page number 201, my lord. Fees itself is 50,000 per month.
it is not per month, my lords. That's all.
Wait.
201.
201.
Yeah, my lord. First term fees, second term fees, third term fees, 3 lakhs. 1 lakh 2,000, 1 lakh 2, 1 lakh 200, 1 lakh 200, my lord. It may kindly be seen.
Now, who is paying the fee?
This petitioner is paying, I am paying. Yes, my lord.
All right.
Then
What are the arrears of maintenance? Nothing is there?
No, my lords, we've up to date paid.
food services, 52,000. Then bus charge 85,000, and then books, shoe, uniform, and summer camp fees. It makes 6 lakhs.
Summer camp.
And now coming to my lord, this about the income and savings. There is a judgment of this honorable court that savings cannot be allowed. My lord. I would like to refer to judgments because
Sir.
they have just manipulated their savings actually and reducing the income.
What is the income?
Income is, my lord, 9.25 lakhs per month.
Per
And,
month?
yeah, and they have shown it somewhere, I mean to say 3 lakhs.
No, that is.
Page number 86, my lord, I will start.
9.25 lakhs. So 50,000 is awarded. How much do you earn? 1,62,000.
No, my lords.
How much does she earn?
35 lakhs is her annual income, my lords. Almost about 2 lakh 50 is her net.
All right.
My lord, that is a gross salary actually. And after tax, it will be around 20 lakhs. And my lord, page number 86, paragraph 6.
Yes.
The judgment of
Anything
this,
else, sir?
This judgment,
Anything else you have to say?
just
Judgment I will read, you need not read.
this, I mean to say savings will not be allowed.
Hmm.
Then they have taken the contention of purchase power parity.
Hmm.
This purchase power parity is an idea and theoretical concept, and definitely it is not a law. So that cannot be.
You
I
are-
mean to say,
You are guiding your daughter.
guiding. I mean to say, I am father, so that's why I have.
No, that's what in guiding in filing these cases.
Yes, my lord.
Settlement and agala.
ಆಗದಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
No sentimental, my lord. I am
No,
talking of
impossible.
law. Actually,
Settlement cannot happen. Yes.
No, I am talking of law. My able Supreme Court.
See, we will also answer law only, sir, not settlement. No, I asked whether you are guiding your daughter to file all these cases.
Yeah, definitely, as a father, I
Yes.
having my duty to every
Absolute.
fathers have
That is why.
their duty to this guide their.
No, there can be no settlement. We will answer in law.
And for settlement, we have two mediations have taken place, my lord.
That is why.
And that
You go to the mediation or your daughter goes?
my daughter goes.
You don't go.
I just
They
accompany.
send abusive mails to the mediation center also. When the matter was set down for a private session, my lords, he sends an email saying that because there was a matter pending before the.
All right.
Anyway, Manoj.
Don't build a
My lords,
story.
I'm also submitting judgment
Ah.
where purchase power parity, the honorable
Right. Yes.
court has
Hmm.
taken consideration of.
Yes. Alle. Correct. Yes, sir. We'll dictate on another day.